The dynamic visibility option lets you show or hide individual menu items based on specific conditions, like whether a user is logged in, their role, the page type, and more. This makes your menu much more flexible and powerful, so you can create a truly personalized navigation experience for different users instead of showing everyone the same links. Let's say I want to make the menu item Your Tours visible only for the logged-in users. For that, I will enable the dynamic visibility toggle in the Items settings pop-up. Mode controls how the condition works. There are two options: to show or hide an item if condition matches. Rules section allows you to define the conditions that control visibility. In the drop-down list, you'll find user-based and page-based conditions, as well as WooCommerce ones. If you add 2 or more rules, you can decide how they work together, if everything must match, or if only one condition needs to match. Keep in mind that conditions apply only to individual menu items, not the whole menu, and if a parent item is hidden, all its child items will also disappear. Here is the same page in a different browser, and Your Tours item isn't visible anymore since I'm not logged in. For the classic themes users, the process is similar. Simply proceed to Appearance, Menus, click the Settings button, unfold Dynamic Visibility, enable the toggle, and set the needed conditions. With all these tools together, from building mega menus and styling them directly in the editor, to adding dynamic visibility rules that change what users see based on their role, login status, or page, you get a really flexible system for navigation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.